Hi friends! I'm so excited to share with you our finished friendship quilt that we made together. Are you ready to take a look? Here we go! Ta-da! There it is! It turned out to be so big, it's almost as big as me. Let's take a closer look at some of these quilt squares that you made. We had friends from all over the world send us their quilt squares, and we put them together on this quilt to make a friendship quilt that we all did together. Isn't it so nice? These are all so beautiful. You did a great job. And we have friends from all over the world that sent us their quilt squares, and we made something new that we made all together. I think that's really special. Thank you so much, everyone, for sending in your quilt squares and being a part of our friendship quilts. Maybe we'll make another one sometime soon. Hey everybody, it's Caitie. Thanks for joining us today. I'd love it if you would subscribe to our Caitie's Classroom channel, and I'll see you soon. Woo!